Hello and welcome to Tech24, the channel where we review the latest and greatest in technology and innovation. Today, we're taking a look at the Zolindo portable prefabricated tiny home, the ultimate solution for those in need of a versatile and spacious living space. This 19x20ft mobile expandable plastic prefab house is perfect for a variety of uses, including hotel, booth, office, guard house, shop, villa, warehouse, and workshop. With its spacious interior, this prefab tiny home offers 2 bedrooms, 1 living room, 1 bathroom, and 1 kitchen, making it the perfect solution for those looking to downsize or have a mobile living space. Constructed with a steel frame and flame-retardant foam wallboard, this container home prefabricated is not only safe and durable, but also waterproof and thermally insulated. It's earthquake-resistant, grade 8, and wind-resistant, grade 10, making it a reliable and secure choice for any location. What sets this prefab tiny home apart is its expandable design, which allows for easy transport and assembly. This means that you can take your living space with you wherever you go, without the hassle of a complex setup process. With its multi-window design and full electrical wiring to USA standards, this prefab tiny home offers an abundance of natural light and the flexibility for customization, making it the perfect choice for those looking for a bright and inviting living space. Whether you're in need of temporary housing, a backyard guest house, or a commercial housing solution, this prefab tiny home offers versatility and practicality in any setting. And with its simple installation process, you can customize it to suit your specific needs. If you're in the market for a versatile, safe, and durable living space, be sure to check out the Zolindo portable prefabricated tiny home. You can find the link to purchase this product in the description below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Tech24 for more tech reviews and innovation updates.